Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss data structure interview questions and answers. So the first question is, what is a data structure? So a data structure is a way of organizing the data so that the data can be used efficiently. There are some examples. B trees are particularly well suited for the implementation of databases. Hash tables are well suited for the implementation of compiler. They are used for lookup identifiers. The next question is, what are linear and non-linear data structure? A data structure is said to be linear if its elements are in a form of a sequence or a linear linked list. So the element needs to be in a form of a linear sequence. So example of linear data structure are array, linked list, stack and queues. If we see the example of linear data structure, we can see this is a form of a array in which all the elements are in form of a sequence. Coming to nonlinear data structure, a data structure is said to be nonlinear if the traversal of nodes is nonlinear in nature. So the example for nonlinear data structure can be graph or a tree. So if you look at the example, like we have a tree, the traversal is nonlinear in nature. Coming to the next question, what are the various operations that can be performed on a different data structure? So what operation can be performed on data structures? So there are different operations which can be performed on a data structure. Let's look into this. The first one is insertion. So we can insert a new element in a given data structure. Deletion, we can delete an existing element from a given data structure. Traversal, we can access each data item in a given data structure. Searching, we can find out a particular data item which needs to be searched in a particular data structure. Sorting, we can arrange the elements or the data in the data structure in some particular order. It can be either in descending or ascending order. Coming to the next question, what is the difference between array and linked list? So there are few difference between array and linked list. Let's see one by one. So first difference is the size of an array is always fixed. Coming to the linked lists are dynamic in size. That means the size can be extended. Second is inserting and deleting a new element in an array of element is expensive because we need to traverse all the element before insertion or deletion of a particular element. And in linked list, insertion and deletion can easily be done in the linked list. Third difference is no extra memory space for pointer is required, but in linked list extra memory space for pointer is required. Coming to the next question, what is a stack and where it can be used? Okay, so stack is a linear data structure in which the order is LIFO, that means last in first out. So the element that is inserted at the last will be coming out first. It can be used for accessing the element. Basic operation in stack are push, pop and peek. So when we are inserting element, we are pushing it, and when we are removing the element from the stack, we are popping the element. So there are different application of stack. Let's look into them. The first one is infix to postfix conversion using stack. We can convert infix expression to postfix using stack. Second is evaluation of postfix expression. Third one is reverse a string using a stack. We can reverse a particular string using a stack. Other one is implement two stack in an array. We can implement two stack in an array. We can also check for the balance parentheses in an expression using the stack. Coming to the next question, what is a queue, how it is different from the stack and how it is implemented. So queue is also a linear data structure that allows the order as first in first out. So the element that are inserted first will be removed first from the queue. So the main operation that are performed on queue are enqueue, dequeue, front and rear. So the main difference between stack and queue is in the removing of the element. In stack we remove the item that is most recently added, and in a queue we remove the item that is least recently added.